Good morning. My name is Karen Sofia. I am 18 years old. I was born in Bogota. My life to meet Paris. My favorite song is Store I Star of Wine Republic. Spain, living the world. My color favorite is blue. My like song, my like animals. My actor favorite is Paul Walker. I like watching movies Rápido and Furious. I like would study cinematography and social communication. I live with my mother, father, sister, and brother. My telephone number is 31468 or 148. Goodbye. Thank you.